I left these sweet days down after they got cut just for the mushroom varieties that are growing on them. That is woodier there. Man, that is some pretty stuff. You look at it. Oops. Why they call it woodier becomes really obvious. You could confuse this with the amber jelly roll if you're just getting started. Both are edible. But these do really good inside of soups or stews. You can cook them, just stir fried or whatnot.